Welcome to 2-minute classes. We will discuss an intermediate example of for loop. Okay, so over here the example is to find if a number is prime or not. Okay, so if the number is prime or composite, that is what we have to find. Okay, so we know that a prime number is a number which is divisible by 1 and itself. Okay, so any number which is divisible by 1 and itself is said to be prime. Okay, but all the numbers in the world are divisible by 1 and itself. So if you take 8 or if you take 4, they are also divisible by 1 and itself. So we cannot check a number whether it is prime or not by dividing it by 1 and itself. So what we have to do, apart from the number 1 and the number itself, we have to divide it by 2, 3, 4 till 6. And if that number is divisible by any other than these numbers, then that is not prime. Okay. Suppose I want to check if 9 is prime or not. So I will start dividing it from 2. 9 divided by 2 is not 0. Okay. Then I will divide it by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 0. Then the number is not prime. Okay. Suppose I take one more example. Suppose I take 11. So I will divide 11 by 2, 3, 4 till 10. Okay. So 11 mod 2 is not 0. 11 mod 3 is not 0. 11 mod 4 is not 0. And also 11 mod 10 is not 0. So if it is not divisible by any of these numbers, then it is going to be prime. Let us have a look how the code will look like. I entered a number n. Okay, so n is the number which we want to check. Okay, I have also taken a value flag. Okay, so flag is an indicator variable which I will be using later in my code. I have applied a for loop. I know that I want to check the numbers from 2 till n minus 1. So I have applied the range function from 2 comma n. This by default goes till n minus 1 only. So I have written n. Then I have checked if my number mod I, because the values of I are 2, 3, 4, n minus 1. So I am going to find the mod of n with I. If it is 0, that means that the number in between are dividing my, like the numbers in between this range are dividing my number. So number is not prime. Then I have written flag equal to 1. Okay. So flag equal to 1 indicates that one of the numbers between this range is dividing my n. Okay. And over here I will write one more statement which is break. Okay. So break is a statement which takes your control outside the loop. Okay. Suppose I want to find out if 1000 is divisible, is prime or not. Okay. So I will divide it by 2. It will be divisible. Then it should not continue dividing it by 3, 4, 5, 6. My work is done over here. If any of the numbers between 2 till 999 is dividing 1000, then I need not keep on checking. So break is used to shift the control outside the for loop. I need not continue executing the for loop. Then outside this for loop, I have checked if flag is 0. Flag is 0, why I am checking? Because the initial value of flag was 0. And if number was not prime, I have set value of flag as 1. So when you are coming outside the for loop, you don't know whether you came by checking all the numbers or you came outside because of this break. So because of that, I am checking the value of flag. If flag's value is still 0, that means it was not divisible by any of the numbers. Then I am going to print the number is prime. Let us take an example. Suppose I want to check if 7 is prime or not. So the value of n is 7. The value of I will begin from 2. I's value is 2. It will check if 7 mod 2 is 0. It is not 0. Okay. So it will continue. Okay. The value of I will become 3. It will check if 7 mod 3 is 0. It is also not 0. Then value of I will become 4. It will check with 4. 7 mod 4. It is also not 0. 7 mod 5 will also not be 0. And 7 mod 6 will also not be 0. Okay. So this loop will execute from 2 till 6. Then it will come outside the loop. It will check the value of flag is 0 or not. So I have not set the value of flag over because it never came inside this. So value of flag is still 0. Then it will print number is prime. Suppose I take another number. Suppose I take number as 6. In that case, what it will do, it will go from 2 till 5. 6 mod 2 is 0. Okay, so 6 is divisible by 2. It will print number is not prime. It will set the value of flag as 1 and then it will break. Break means it will come outside the loop. it will not check for 3 and 4. It will come outside the loop. It will check if value of flag is 0. Now in this, the value of flag has been set to 1. So this condition is false. So it will not print this. It will just print number is not prime. So this is how the program of prime number looks like.